Imagine saving thousands of dollars while living comfortably. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving into Warren Buffett's top 20 frugal living habits that can help you start saving now. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that Buffett himself swears by. Something you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about why Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, is known for his frugality. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett lives a remarkably modest life. His habits and mindset are rooted in practicality and long-term value. Buffett's 20 frugal living habits. 1. Live below your means. Warren Buffett's approach to living below your means is a cornerstone of his financial philosophy. Instead of spending all your earnings, Buffett recommends saving a significant portion. His own lifestyle reflects this. Despite his immense wealth, he continues to live in the same modest house he bought decades ago. The key takeaway? It's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. 2. Avoid unnecessary debt. Buffett advocates for steering clear of unnecessary debt. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can quickly erode your savings. By avoiding these financial traps and paying off any existing debt as quickly as possible, you'll keep more of your money working for you, rather than against you. 3. Invest in quality, not quantity. When Buffett invests, he looks for high-quality, long-term value rather than short-term gains. This philosophy extends to everyday purchases as well. Instead of buying numerous low-quality items, invest in fewer high-quality products that will last longer and offer better value over time. 4. Be patient with your money. Patience is a virtue Buffett holds dear. He believes that wealth grows over time through disciplined investing and saving. Instead of seeking quick fixes or immediate returns, allow your investments to compound over the years. This patient approach can lead to significant financial growth. 5. Prioritize savings. Buffett's strategy includes prioritizing savings from the very beginning. Set aside a portion of your income before you even start spending. By automating your savings, you ensure that you're consistently putting money away for future needs and investments. 6. Avoid flashy purchases. Despite his wealth, Buffett avoids spending on flashy or unnecessary items. He believes in making practical purchases that align with your needs rather than indulging in luxuries that offer little long-term value. This mindset helps keep your spending in check. 7. Educate yourself continuously. Buffett spends a significant portion of his day reading and learning. He believes that continual self-education is crucial for making informed decisions. Whether it's reading books, analyzing reports, or staying updated on market trends, expanding your knowledge can lead to better financial decisions. 8. Stick to a budget. A well-defined budget helps Buffett manage his finances effectively. By setting limits on your spending and tracking where your money goes, you can ensure that you're living within your means and avoiding unnecessary expenses. 9. Be frugal with your time. Buffett also applies frugality to how he spends his time. He focuses on high-value activities that contribute to his goals and avoids time-wasting activities. By being mindful of how you spend your time, you can maximize productivity and achieve better results. 10. Find joy in simple things. Buffett finds happiness in simple pleasures, rather than expensive hobbies or activities. Whether it's enjoying a meal with friends or a walk in the park, finding joy in inexpensive or free activities helps keep your spending low while enhancing your quality of life. 11. Set financial goals. Buffett stresses the importance of setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a major purchase, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement, having specific goals helps you stay focused and motivated. It also provides a roadmap for your financial decisions. 12. Avoid impulse buying. Impulse purchases can derail even the best budget. Buffett advises against making spontaneous buys and suggests taking time to evaluate whether a purchase is truly necessary. By avoiding impulse buying, you keep your spending in line with your financial goals. 13. Choose value over brand. Buffett prefers products and investments that offer genuine value rather than those with a high price tag due to brand names. By focusing on value rather than brand prestige, you can make more cost-effective choices without sacrificing quality. 14. Maintain a low profile. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, Buffett lives a low-profile life. He avoids the trappings of fame and fortune, which can lead to unnecessary expenses. Keeping a low profile helps manage your lifestyle and expenses effectively. 15. Live in a modest home. Buffett's decision to remain in a modest home, despite his wealth, illustrates his belief in practical living. A modest home not only reduces expenses but also aligns with a frugal mindset, demonstrating that a comfortable life doesn't require extravagant living. 16. Be cautious with investments. Buffett's investment strategy is marked by caution and thorough research. He advises avoiding high-risk investments and focusing on opportunities with a solid track record. By being cautious and well-informed, you can make better investment choices. 17. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, resist the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle at the same rate. Buffett maintains his frugal habits regardless of his wealth, which helps him accumulate and preserve more of his assets. 18. Negotiate when possible. Buffett is known for his negotiating skills. Whether purchasing a car or dealing in business, he always seeks to get the best deal. Learning to negotiate can help you save money and achieve better value in various transactions. 19. Be careful with taxes. Buffett uses strategic tax planning to minimize his tax liabilities. By understanding tax implications and using legal strategies to reduce your tax burden, you can keep more of your income. 20. Invest in yourself. Finally, Buffett considers investing in your own skills and education as one of the best investments you can make. Continually improving your abilities and knowledge can lead to greater personal and professional opportunities. We've covered Warren Buffett's 20 smartest frugal living habits, principles that can transform your financial future. Remember, these habits aren't just for the wealthy. They're practical strategies anyone can implement. Buffett's bonus tip. Before you go, here's a bonus tip from Buffett himself that can supercharge your savings even more. Stay tuned. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Continuous learning and self-improvement will pay the highest dividends over time. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on frugal living and financial wisdom. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Archivist Animates.